Hey everybody, welcome back to the Toontown Trader. We're going to put the guessing box away to the side right now. It's time to do a big old PSA submission. This is an expensive one, so if you wouldn't mind hitting subscribe, hitting like, watching the video all the way through, because this one was like $700. Not cheap. But depending on what these grades come back as, hey, if they were all 10s, it'd be like $4,500. So I think we're gonna start off cracking some packs. Let's get this Prismatic out of the way. The only reason I bought it was because it was MSRP instead of 2 to 3 times as much. So, I'll take the chance, get a whole lot of nothing, and open some black and white later after this. But we'll zip through these because we already know nothing but disappointment in these. We're just going to zip through them. We've seen enough of these. Whole lot of nothing. Code card, gone. Pack number 2. Be nice to actually pull something, but I just have absolutely no expectation of this anymore. These are my favorite cards right here out of the set, because these can actually pull. We got an ace spec. I do like ace specs. Pokeball. Dusknoir, please. No. Ogie dogies, please. No monkey dories either. No more. No more, please. What do we got there? Noivern. We got a Pokeball. We got nothing. Nothing but a Noivern. Disappointment incoming. And we got nothing. Surprise, surprise. 2 packs of Prismatic left. Let me know in the comments. Have you pulled anything good out of Prismatic? Have you had just as bad of luck as me? Pokeball. Having a hard time getting those Master Balls too. And a whole lot of nada. Surprise, surprise. Well, now that that's out of the way, let's reveal some slabs here. Alright, first one. Oh, we got Charmeleon. What do you think on this one? Centering looks pretty good. Back looks decent. We got a 10. Nice. It's a good way to start her off. That one I believe is about 200 and a 10. Number 2. Oh, this is not a very expensive card, but still a very gorgeous card that I wanted. Centering looks a bit off on the top. Maybe a 9 for that. Oh, what's this? What is this? What is this big old PSA? Like, what's that about? That's dirty. You scratched my slab. And we got a 10. Nice. Maybe my eye's starting to get a little better for this. Number 3. Oh, here's one that we want a 10 in. Definitely. Definitely one of my favorite from the Surging Sparks set. What is this? Come on. What do you think? We got 10? Ah, 9. Rough. Wonder why that one got a 9. That looks clean. Except for your slab PSA. Oh well, gorgeous card. That's one I wanted to keep anyway. Oh, and another one I wanted to keep. That gorgeous Ninetales from Obsidian. Boom! 10. Sweet! We're getting pretty lucky today. So yeah, 17 cards. Here's some actual luck that I've had from Prismatic. Not the greatest, but 10. We got a 10. Nice! I'm finally starting to get a better eye for picking 10s, I think. Oh, and this is definitely one of my favorites from Stellar Crown. And we got a 9. Still haven't gotten any 8s, so that's good. This is a gorgeous card, though. Very nice. 9s and 10s. Here we go. Another one from Prismatic. Actually pulled a few of these already. Surprise, surprise. 9. Jeez, come on. Shouldn't have said anything about my eyes. Maybe I'm getting old. The Gengar VMAX from Fusion Strike. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, we get another 10. Sweet. That's about half of them. Should we open up some more cards? I think so. Open up a box of white. See if we can find some more things to submit. I'm questioning submitting that Victini or not. I don't know if I'd get a 9. I know I won't get a 10. But a 9 would still kind of be worth it. Let's see what we got. Another Victini, eh? That'd be nice. Mandibuzz. Pokeball Dino. Ducklet. And a Gothitelle. Nothing yet. This is not going to be as disappointing as Prismatic. I am sure of it. We'll just zip through these. What do we got? Nothing. Whole lot of zilch. Whole lot of nada. Pokeball, Mindfu, Sock, Samurott. Come on, White. Disappointing. Pulling a Prismatic. Come on, what the heck here? Pokeball? Or is that a Master Ball? Hold on. Oh, nope, that's a Master Ball. Well, we'll take that as a hit anyway. Well, can we get an illustration rare, please? At least. Joltik? No, nothing. Last pack. Let's see some magic. Whole lot of nothing in these packs. That's unfortunate. You pulled the Prismatic box of white. Let's reveal some more grades and move on to some black. Yeah, this one isn't the most expensive card, but I still really like it. I don't even know what to call that kind of art style or that decor. But we got a 10. Very nice. So, at least worth grading. Don't even know what we got in here, actually. We got the Pikachu. 151. Definitely a gorgeous card. And we got a 9. Unfortunately, that one isn't the most expensive card. And we got another Blastoise. Pulled plenty of these. Please. Oh, really? Got our first 8. Huh. Why are all these scratched on the back? Quality control PSA. And War Turtle. Little cousin. Got a 10. Very nice. We do have a 10 in the Blastoise, so now we got a 10 in the War Turtle. Can we get a 10 in the Squirtle? Come on, give me a 10. Yes, very nice. We got the whole line in 10s. Got the Pikachu from Surging Sparks. And we got a 9. The other one was a 9 too, right? Yeah. Both of the gold Pikachus. Oh, come on. Please give me this guy in a 10. I love this little Charmander. 9. Oh, well. I'll be keeping that one anyway. Again, I'll be selling... Oh, this is one we got to get in a 10. I'll be selling a lot of these. Please give me a 10. Nice. This is I believe, around $600 card in a 10. Very, very nice. Okay, last card. Oh, yeah, the vintage. The old school. 2002 Pokemon Expedition Vileplume Holo. And we got I'm not expecting much from this one. I did not take care of my cards. Let this be a lesson to you. A 7. Now, if that was a 10, it'd be $600. A little over that, I think. But because I did not take care of my cards good enough, you can knock a 0 off of that, I'm sure. Probably not even worth grading, actually, if it's a 9 or a 7. Who knows? Okay. Open a box of black. Pikachu, charge my pack. Let's see that Zekrom. Let's see a monochrome. It's about time I get a monochrome. It's about time I get a God pack. Right? I've had to open a few thousand packs by now. Come on. Come on. Whole lot of nothing yet. Again, thanks for joining me, everybody. Hit subscribe. Help out the channel. It really helps out if you watch the whole video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me what's your favorite of these slabs. Which one do you like the most? Oh, what we got? Oh, there it is. Thought I saw that. Dino, Pokeball. Yeah, I'd have to say the Rayquaza. Rayquaza, however you say it. Definitely the one I wanted back the most. But now I got the whole line of Squirtle. So I'm happy about that as well. Oh, nice. We got the Girder. Finally a hit. Can't remember. Did I pull the Quingilder illustration rare or whatever it is in this set? Feel like I did. Okay. Now we gotta send off some more cards for slabbing. Don't know what I want to send off yet, though. I always gotta send off a vintage card. I know I have my Charizard coming back from 151. Should be somewhat soon. Come on, let's see a big hit here. Pokeball. Oh, upside down. Superior. That's a very nice green. I like that. I was hoping to get that one. Yep. Couple hits. We get some last pack magic. Molga, Snivy, Muna, Rufflet, Electros, Energy Coin, Seismitoad. Come on, let's see something big. Clink, Electric, and a whole lot of nothing. Let's do another pack. I kind of want to open a couple of Surging. Let's do 3. 3 from the box. See if we can find Pikachu. Nothing. Still looking for Booty Pikachu. And I will continue to crack Surging Sparks until I find it. And nothing. One more pack, come on. Pikachu, this is yours. Charge me up a Pikachu here. Still work if it's just cards? Yeah. Interesting. Only got some back there. The Milotic. So if there's none of these cards in there, I'm curious now. Shouldn't work, right? Nope, nope, still works. Does a code card affect that? Even more curious. Oh, the code card does affect that. That's interesting. Well, anyway, thanks for joining me, everyone. Y'all have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow. Make sure to hit subscribe. Leave comments in my daily packs. See if you can win yourself a free pack. And join us for our next giveaway, which is right here. That ETB Destined Rivals at 500 subs. And thanks again.